CareAR is transforming the service experience by making knowledge contextual and providing relevant digital and visual content when it's needed most. With CareAR Instruct, you can leverage augmented reality, computer vision AI, interactive 3D content, and AI-powered search to surface organizational knowledge and provide self-solve or self-guided instructions. These can be delivered in your device's field of view, along with intelligent insights so that you can detect not only objects, but their state of motion to verify compliance and ensure a procedure was completed correctly. With our no-code experience builder, you can create and manage your own visual content, both for your internal users and your customers. This is all about providing immersive, step-by-step visual guidance. Imagine walking up to an asset, scanning the QR code, and getting self-serve augmented reality instructions with hotspots that tell you what exactly that part is, with steps that walk you through the tasks and work verification without the need to call into support. With CareAR Instruct Interactive 3D Tour, you can view a 3D model of the equipment and explore the details of the inner parts to better understand the part assembly. Promote self-solve, deflect calls, increase first-time fix rate, upskill technicians, and reduce repeat site visits with CareAR. Let CareAR help you transform your service delivery and create amazing customer and employee experiences.